Okay friends, to get started on our Serpentine belt tensioner, you're obviously going to want to have the engine off, and you're going to be able to find it located right on the passenger side front of the engine. Before you go ahead and remove the belt, just take a quick note of the belt routing. You want to make sure that you put the belt on the exact same way that it was when you removed it. I'm going to go ahead and relieve tension from the Serpentine belt tensioner, and then I'll remove the belt just far enough so I can get the tensioner off. There we are. Let's go ahead and move that belt out of the way. It's always a good idea to inspect your belt, make sure it's still in good condition before you, of course, go ahead and reinstall it. The next thing that we would want to do would be to remove the mounting bolt located right here. There it is. Now when we pull this out, we just want to get it around the fan. And there's our tensioner, friends. All right, friends, now it's time to install our brand new Serpentine belt tensioner. You're going to want to make sure you line up these two pitons with the holes that are located on the front of the engine. I'm going to take my new bolt, bring it down with me. We'll start this in, snug it up, and then we're going to torque it to 37 foot-pounds. Now it's going to be time to get the belt back on here. Let's make sure that we put it on so it's situated around all the pulleys correctly. Slide this underneath the idler pulley. All right. Go ahead and remove your Serpentine belt tool. Inspect your belt. Make sure it's sitting across all the pulleys perfectly. You want to make sure it's sitting inside the grooves. If it's hanging off, you could potentially damage your belt. Okay, so that was easy. Lastly, all you want to do is go ahead and start up your engine, run it for a few seconds, turn it off, and then come out here and double check to make sure it's sitting on all the pulleys properly.